You were so small when I first held you tight. Mundo ko biglang nagbago in just one night. Bawat pawis, bawat pagod, hindi namin ininda, para lang mabigyan ka ng buhay na mas maganda.
We stayed awake just to keep you safe. Kahit ubos na kami, ikaw pa rin ang lakas at dasal na bitbit. Ang bawat hakbang namin mula noon hanggang ngayon, para sa kinabukasan mong di namin kayang iwan o itapon.
But sometimes you think we're holding you too tight, na para bang kinokontrol ka sa iyong buhay. What you don't see is we're fighting every fear. Dahil sa mundong magulo, gusto ka lang naming mailigtas, anak, my dear.
We loved you, love before you knew our names. Mas nauna pa ang pagmamahal kaysa sa iyong unang hinga. Every sacrifice, every tear, we do it all again, para lang masiguro na mas maliwanag ang buhay mo kaysa amin. Someday we pray you'll find a home of your own, a family who love you like we've always shown, someone who'll hold your heart, protect your soul the way we always did, from young till old.
A father's love is quiet, minsan mahigpit, minsan matigas, pero sa likod ng tapang puso niya'y laging takot na masaktan ka ng mundo.
He's not trying to cage you or cut your wings. He's just scared the world won't be as gentle as he was to you.
A mother's love is endless, never running out. Kahit mapagod, kahit masaktan, lagi kang inuna.
Every prayer whispered softly in the night ay para sa lakad mo sa bukas, na sana'y maging maayos, maliwanag at mapaya.
Sometimes you think our warnings mean no, na ayaw ka naming lumaya o mag-explore.
But anak, we're only trying to guide your steps, para wag kang masaktan sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa kayang maintindihan ngayon.
We loved you long before you knew our names. Mas nauna ang pag-ibig kaysa pangarap namin para sa'yo. Every sacrifice, every tear, we do it all again, para lang masigurong hindi ka iwan ng mundong minsang naging malupit sa amin. Someday we hope you'll build a life that's kind, with a partner who'll honor your heart and your mind, someone who'll love you with the gentle strength we've shown, someone who'll keep you safe like you've always been home. protektado ay hindi pagkulong, kundi pagyakap sa mga panganib na hindi mo pa alam.
You'll understand the fear behind every ingat anak,
and the love behind every wikagagha.
You'll see the truth we've always hoped you'd find,
that our love was never meant to hold you back, but to push you forward, safe and strong, toward the life where you truly belong.
we loved you long before you took your first breath, at mamahalin ka namin hanggang matapos ang aming huling hinga.
Every sacrifice, every fight, we live it all again, just to see you happy, safe, and standing strong in the end. Someday we pray someone will love you just as deep, and guard your heart the way we guard you in your sleep.
This is our promise from the very start.
You were, you are, and you'll always be
A piece of our soul,
a work of